In this video, you will learn the key things you need to know to get started with Compass Bridge, our contact center app. We're going to discuss 3 topics: how to select, join and leave queue, how to open queue management and add agents, how to remove agents from queue. Let's start. How to select, join and leave queue. First, go to the queues view. Click on the name of the queue you want to join. The details for the queue you clicked appear. Now to the right of the queue name, click on the Join Queue button to join the pool of available agents. After you join the queue, the name of the queue in the queue list will turn dark. To leave a queue, click on the name of the queue you want to leave. Now to the right of the queue name, click on the Leave Queue button. After you leave a queue, the name of the queue in the queue list will turn gray. How to open queue management and add agents. After selecting a name, click on the Agents tab. To the right of the queue name, click on the Queue Settings button. A search box appears and the list of agents will expand to show all agents in the company. After finding the agent you're looking for, press the plus sign to add the agent to the queue. How to remove agents from queue. If you want to remove agents from queue, you once again open the queue management, but this time press the minus sign to remove the agent from the queue. That was all for this video. You now know how to work with call queues with Compass Bridge.